ready to ditch the shoebox full of receipts and finally get your business finances organized. Today, we're diving headfirst into QuickBooks Desktop Company Setup, the foundation for accurate and insightful financial reporting, ensuring you're not just managing your money, but mastering it. First, let's install QuickBooks Desktop. Insert the installation disk or download the program from the Intuit website. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement, and choose your installation type. Typically, Express is fine for most users. Once installed, launch QuickBooks. You'll see the No Company open screen. Click on Create a New Company. This will launch the Easy Step interview. The Easy Step interview guides you through the initial setup. Start by selecting your industry. This helps QuickBooks populate your chart of accounts with industry-specific accounts, saving you time and effort. Next, choose your business type: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, etc. This affects how QuickBooks handles your taxes and equity accounts. Review the chart of accounts. QuickBooks has already created some basic accounts based on your industry selection. You can add, edit, or delete accounts later to fit your specific needs. Congratulations, you've created your company file. Now, let's set up your customers, vendors, and item list. Go to the Customer Center and click New Customer. Enter their name, address, and contact information. Repeat the process for your vendors in the Vendor Center. Accurate vendor information is crucial for tracking expenses and managing payables. Finally, create your item list by going to Lists, then Item List. Add the products or services you sell, specifying the sales price, cost, and associated accounts. With your company file set up, chart of accounts customized, and customer, vendor, and item lists populated, you're now ready to start using QuickBooks Desktop for accurate financial tracking and reporting. Remember to consult with an accountant for personalized advice.